Before time was recorded, in the heart of the ancient East Java, the earth breathed fire, creating a land of stark beauty and silence.
Here lived Roro Anteng, a princess whose beauty rivaled the moon, and Joko Seger, a priest of noble blood and strong heart. Bound by love, they built a life together. No cry of a newborn, no laughter of a child, only the wind answered their longing. Desperate, they climbed to the roof of the world to plead with the gods. At the crater's edge, amidst the smoke and sulfur, they sat in deep meditation.
For days and nights they prayed, until the mountain finally awoke. A thunderous voice echoed from the abyss. "I shall grant you 25 children," the spirit proclaimed. "But remember this condition. The last born, the 25th child, must return to me."
Blinded by hope, they agreed. Years flowed like water. A pact was sealed in fire and ash. Their home filled with laughter. Their village grew prosperous. 24 children blessed their lives. And then came the 25th, Prince Kusuma. He was the kindest, the wisest, the apple of his parents' eye. But the fire god does not forget. The mountain began to roar. Fire rained from the sky. The earth trembled. The promise had to be kept. Kusuma saw the terror in his people's eyes. He knew what he had to do. With a heavy heart, he let go of his mother's hand. He walked into the smoke, not as a victim, but as a savior. "Live in peace, my brothers and sisters," he whispered. And into the fiery embrace of Bromo he fell. He did not perish. He became part of the mountain's spirit. To this day, the Tengur people return, a tribute to Kusuma, a promise kept for a love eternal.